Well, Sakafikile Malume, we're talking to Mr. John Hunt Malume of the Vehicle Spare Parts Business. Malume, good afternoon. Welcome yet again on A Drive with Carol Hobson, Nduli and the Big Mike.
Wow, just good afternoon to you beautiful ladies and to my brother Big Mike. What a beautiful afternoon.
Good
Definitely,
afternoon, Malume.
definitely. All right, Malume, so today we're talking about basic DIY maintenance when we're talking about imoto zethu. What can I do to maintain my car?
DIY style. And please consider my nails.
Definitely. And, you know, I had to switch it up from the jokes this week because I've got too much competition from you ladies.
Okay.
There we go.
But, well, yes. Just a word of advice I want to give to all the listeners out there at the moment is we've had just this week alone 2 or 3 customers coming in, and basically they've landed up with huge bills on their car, thousands of rands, where just the basics could have been maintained. So what I'm saying to the listeners out there is you yourself can very easily maintain your vehicle. So, for instance, you know, understanding the basics and checking underneath your bonnet of the car is very, very important thing. So there's 3 basic points I just want to cover this afternoon. Number 1 is the fluids. Routinely check the levels of your engine oil, your coolant, and your brake fluid. Just a tip, never ever open your radiator cap while the car is still hot, because it's very, very dangerous. There's a pressure inside your engine and that hot water can come out. But very important to just check the basic levels of your fluids, because if your car overheats or if it doesn't have enough oil in it, it's going to cause thousands of rands worth of damage. The next thing is basic tire health. Is just checking your tires and making sure that they're the right pressures can save you thousands of rands in replacing your tires where they don't wear like they should wear, or they wear unevenly because the tire pressures are not right. And thirdly, just your battery. It's a very easy thing, even for the ladies. If you open your bonnet, you just check the battery and just make sure the terminals are not full of a white powdery substance, which all batteries in all the cars build this up, and then it starts causing problems and you have an issue where you can't start your car. So 3 very basic tips out there for the ladies to just check. Specifically, the men, I hope they're doing it on a regular basis. But please, those 3 things, you stick to just checking those things, you're going to have far less problems with your car.
I think it's much easier for the guys because they would know when to check such things when it comes to their cars. How often should I be able to check on all the basics that I need for eMod?
The basic rule is every time you put fuel into your car, I know it might be a bit of a pain in the neck, but every time you put fuel into your car, just check them and get the guys, even at the service stations, to check the level of your water, to check your oil, and to check your tire pressures. I know it's a real pain, but these very simple basic checks can end up saving you thousands of rands.
Wow. It sounds very easy, Malume. We'll try, but I won't lie. I'm just, as you are talking, I'm like, who am I going to pick to do this DIY for me?
Well, you know, the problem is you girls are so good looking, you don't have to. You just stand in front of the car.
Yes,
Malume.
Which is why I'm asking which division of the which division of the boys, the spare boys, do I deal with?
Right. So if you have 12 main brands, which is Mercedes, BM, Honda, Tata, Hyundai, Kia, Jeep, Land Rover, Renault, Peugeot, Citroen, and Volvo, the right division is Spares Boys. Spares Boys specialize in very good quality aftermarket parts, as well as all the original parts that are taken off the car directly and can be sold to you at a much cheaper price as second-hand parts. If you drive any other brands, including all the new Chinese brands, Ford, Toyota, Mazda, Suzuki, VW, no matter what else you drive, Parts Boys are the right guys to deal with. They are a specialized division within our company that specialize in new parts for every single brand on the planet.
Yeah.
And if you want to deal with every brand and you just want to deal online, then our division called Africa Boys Online is an online e-commerce store. You pop onto the website, Africa Boys Online, all one word. You can see whatever parts you need. You can pop them in the inquiry, and they'll be too happy to help you out. The WhatsApp numbers for Spares Boys and for Parts Boys is 031 579 8501. If you want to contact the guys from Africa Boys Online, their WhatsApp line is 579 8524. Or, as I mentioned before, just pop onto the website. They'll be just too glad to help you out. But just stick to the basics and your car should give you no problem at all. By not sticking to the basics, very small, and it takes a couple of minutes, but it can save you tens of thousands of rands in the long run.
100% understood. Well, Malume, until next week, have yourself a great, great week, or the rest of the week, and of course, the rest of the weekend.
Thank you, Malume.
Thank you. Take care. Have a beautiful afternoon.
All righty. That was Mr. John Hunt, who's the uncle in the vehicle spare parts business, talking about Spares Boys. All right. Well, coming up next.